everyone, this is Rashi and welcome back to the Reading Platter. So in today's video, we are going to discuss my August TBR. So this August, on 21st August, on my birthday, the Reading Platter is completing 1 year on YouTube. And I am super excited. I really wanted to do something new. I wanted to try TBR games. But the thing is, I haven't planned any of my own, and I don't really have resources to do others. Like I don't have a bingo wheel, or like I have to make a bingo board or spin the wheel. I can do this on the app, I know, but it won't be fun, I think, because I really have to hold like camera like this, my phone like this on the app, or I have to insert a clip here. For that also I don't have much equipment because I have only one camera. So it was not possible. There are a few games that I can do, but that are really tough, so I don't want any kind of burden on myself. So that's why I am not doing any TBR game. But if you have any like suggestion, I know I can pick up prompts from my bag. I have a lot of prompts made already. But yeah, I will do it maybe from the next month. But if you guys know any TBR games that are fun, do comment down below. Let me know in any way. Like, you people like to DM me on Instagram, that's okay too. You can DM me any games that you know, so that I can watch them and do them. So yes, that was it. And for this month, it is my birthday month and 1 year anniversary of the Reading Platter, so I will be doing something special. I have a lot of vlogs planned this month, so yes, I will be doing that are secret. Okay, that those vlogs are really secret, but I know you will enjoy those a lot. I had a lot of fun planning those vlogs, and I know you love them too, because who does not love friends? So yeah, that was a hint. I hope you get it. So yeah, talking about my TBR, I have 2 special vlogs planned. So there are actually 7 to 8 books for one vlog and 5 books for other vlog. So that makes 12 books already, and I have the books that I have to read. So, and there are more vlogs that will be coming. So I don't think I will have a big TBR for this month. I will be reading my NetGalley arcs that are expiring. If you guys want to know what my TBR is, so I will be telling you those arcs, maybe 2 or 3 that I will read that are expiring this month. Or I don't know, maybe I have no idea what I will read, because I have a lot to read, and also my course books that I have to read. This month I was supposed to read 2 books, like in July I was supposed to read 2 books that I really wanted to read for this year for my exams, but I didn't read them. It was a pretty busy month, and I really took an off. Not an off, but yeah, actually I have to talk to you guys about that too, but I'll make a separate video for that. So let's discuss a few arcs. And also this is arc October, I guess. So I mean arc August, so I will be reading books for that. I will be reading arcs, so let's see. I really don't know what these arcs are about, because I bought them like so long ago, so I don't know, and I don't really exactly have time right now to like look them up and tell you. And also I don't like to know about the books beforehand, and that's why I mean, I will not be explaining those books to you, but I will be telling you what books I'm reading. I will not tell the books that I'm reading for the secret blogs. You have to wait for it. So the first one that I will be reading is Complicit by Amy Rivers. I don't know what this book is about. I am just filming these videos in a hurry. I am filming bulk videos actually. You will see a lot of videos in this top because I am filming a lot of videos. I don't have time for the next 15 days right now. So yes, I really am just flying through these videos. I'm really sorry for that. But the next one is Far Gone by Daniel Girard, and I believe this is a thriller. That's why I got it so much time ago. And the next one that I will be definitely reading is the For the Love of Friends by Sarah Goodman. This is expiring in 15 days, so I really have to make time for this book. I have no choice. And the next one is Just the Two of Us by Yu Hang. I was supposed to read it this month, but I did not read it. It is expiring in 17 days, so I really have to read it really, really soon. And the last one, I cannot find that. Let me check. So the last one is Romeo and Juliet, and it is in the form of manga. And I will be reading this for sure because I bought it very long time ago, and this was one of the free arcs on NetGalley, so it is not expiring. But yes, I have to read it really, really soon. It's been very long since I have bought it. I have got it, so I will be reading that. And yeah, these are the 5 books I will try to complete because I already have a lot of books to read this month. So this was the shortest TBR video I have filmed till now. If you want to view more of the TBR videos, they will be linked on the screen, so you can check it out. So yeah, this was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this video with no information. So yeah, we'll meet in the next one.